This is a little video describing the RNA replication cycle. So if you have a positive strand RNA, this is a little string of nucleotides showing what a positive strand would look like. If the virus needs to replicate this RNA to make new viruses, but an A does not bond to an A U does not bond to a U, G does not bond to G, etc. So the first thing that the RNA virus has to do once it gets inside the host cell is to make a negative strand. This negative strand is going to be A to U, U to A, G to C, C to G, C to G, A to U. This negative strand can then be made into a positive strand, U to A to U, C to G, G to C, G to C, U to A. So this strand then is the same as this. You have replicated your RNA to make the new viruses. You have to have a negative strand made before you can make your positive strands. In cells, RNA is only transcribed from DNA. DNA is used as a template to make RNA, and the enzyme is a DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. In RNA viruses, they use an RNA-dependent RNA polymerase because this enzyme, the polymerase, depends on RNA. You're making RNA from RNA, not from DNA. So if you have an RNA, a plus strand virus, and it goes to a host cell, the first thing that it does is attach. Attachment is the first thing that it will do, and then it will enter the cell, and it will have an uncoating. Here's your positive strand. So it uncoats. So the second thing is it penetrates and it uncoats. And then the third thing is to make a negative strand of the RNA. The fourth thing then can be the synthesis of positive strand RNA. Then after you have started duplicating your positive strand, this can go to a ribosome and be read like messenger RNA can. This is your positive strand. It's read just like messenger RNA, and you're making your proteins. So now you have your positive strand of the RNA, you have your proteins, and you can reassemble your viruses. And then you're going to have some spikes, viral spikes, and then this virus will push out from the cell membrane, and this is the envelope. So part of the cell membrane becomes the envelope.